Have you ever seen a magic trick so good? It feels real? Something that defies explanation? For most of human history, that was just an illusion. But today, we are building real magic. We call it artificial intelligence. But what is AI? Is it a robot that will take your job? Is it a super brain that will solve all our problems? Or is it just a fancy calculator? Forget the hype. Forget the jargon. In the next 8 minutes, we are going to pull back the curtain and explain AI so simply, anyone can understand it. Let's begin. First, you need to know that not all AI is created equal. There are 3 main levels, like a video game with 3 difficulty settings. Level 1 is Artificial Narrow Intelligence, or ANI. This is the AI we have today. It's a master of one specific task. The AI that recommends movies on Netflix? That's ANI. The AI that beats the world champion at chess. Ani, Siri, Alexa, the AI in your car? All ANI. They are incredibly powerful, but they are one-trick ponies. A chess AI can't recommend a movie, and a movie AI can't drive a car. Level 2 is Artificial General Intelligence, or AGI. This is the holy grail. An AGI would be as smart as a human across the board. Could learn, reason, solve problems, and think creatively in any domain just like you. We are not here yet, but we are getting closer. Level 3 is Artificial Superintelligence, or ASI. This is the stuff of science fiction for now. An ASI would be smarter than any human, or even all humans combined. Could solve problems we can't even comprehend. It's a future that is both exciting and, frankly, a little terrifying. So, for the rest of this video, when we say AI, we're talking about the level 1 narrow AI that exists today. So how does this AI actually learn? The core idea is called machine learning. And the best way to understand it is to think about your own brain. Your brain is made of billions of tiny cells called neurons, all connected in a massive network. When you learn something new, like how to ride a bike, the connections between these neurons change and get stronger. You learn from trial and error. Machine learning copies this idea. We create an artificial neural network. It's not a physical brain, but a complex mathematical model that runs on a computer. It has digital neurons connected in layers. Now, how do we teach it? Imagine we want to teach our AI to recognize a cat. We don't write millions of rules like, if it has pointy ears and whiskers and a tail, it's a cat. That's impossible. Instead, we just show it millions of pictures of cats, labeled cat. Each time it sees a picture, the neural network makes a guess. At first, its guesses are random. It might say a cat is a dog or a car, but each time it gets it wrong, we correct it. This correction sends a signal back through the network, slightly adjusting the connections between its digital neurons. We do this millions and millions of times. With every picture, the network gets a tiny bit better. Over time, it starts to recognize the patterns on its own, the ears, the whiskers, the fur. It's not thinking like a human, but it is learning to identify the statistical patterns that make up a cat. This process is called training. This training comes in 2 main flavors. The first is what we just described, supervised learning. It's like learning with a teacher. We give the AI labeled data, this is a cat, this is not a cat. This email is spam, this is not spam. This is the most common type of machine learning. The second flavor is unsupervised learning. This is like learning without a teacher. We give the AI a massive amount of data, but with no labels. We just say, find the patterns. The AI might look at millions of customer records and discover on its own that there are 3 distinct types of shoppers. Or it might analyze thousands of songs and group them by genre without ever being told what a genre is. It's a powerful way to find hidden structures in data. So what caused the AI explosion we see today? The answer is deep learning. Deep learning is just a bigger, more powerful version of a neural network. Instead of just a few layers of neurons, a deep learning network can have hundreds or even thousands. This depth allows it to learn much more complex patterns. And when you train a massive deep learning network on nearly the entire internet, you get a large language model, or LLM. This is the magic behind ChatGPT, Gemini, and others. These models have seen so much text, they've learned the statistical patterns of human language. They aren't just recognizing cats. They're recognizing grammar, context, sentiment, and even creativity. When you ask it a question, it's not thinking of an answer. It's predicting the next most likely word and the next based on the trillions of words it has been trained on. It's a statistical parrot on a cosmic scale, and the results are astonishing. So where is this AI in your daily life? Is hiding in plain sight. The Face ID that unlocks your phone? That's AI. The navigation app that finds the fastest route and avoids traffic? AI. The spam filter in your email? AI. The recommended videos on YouTube that keep you watching? That's AI. The technology that allows your bank to detect fraud in real time? You guessed it, AI. From healthcare, where it's helping to diagnose diseases, to science, where it's discovering new drugs, AI is quietly becoming the engine of the 21st century. We are living in the age of narrow AI. But the race to build a true artificial general intelligence, a human-level AI, is on. And it brings both incredible promise and significant risks. An AGI could help us cure diseases, solve climate change, and unlock the secrets of the universe. But it also raises profound questions. What happens to human jobs? How do we prevent a superintelligent AI from being used for malicious purposes? How do we ensure that an AI's goals are aligned with our own? These are no longer just questions for science fiction authors. They are the defining challenges of our time, being debated in the halls of government and the boardrooms of the world's biggest companies. So what is AI? At its heart, it's a new kind of tool. A tool for finding patterns in a world drowning in data. It's not magic, but it's the closest thing we've ever built. Just like electricity transformed the world a century ago, AI is transforming our world today. It's changing how we work, how we live, and how we think. The story of AI is just beginning, and it's a story that we are all a part of. The real question isn't just what is AI, it's what will we do with it